Vehicle Modeling with Blender. During the month of June, I'm going to be teaching a class on exactly that. My name is Kent Trammell, and I'm a Blender instructor for CGCookie.com. This class format is unique and available to all CGCookie Citizen members, combining several different features of our website into a cohesive communal learning experience. For 4 weeks in June, you, me, and your classmates are all focused on exploring the same thing together. Week 1 of the class is a hard surface primer. Since vehicle modeling is primarily hard surface modeling, we want to spend some time brushing up on general hard surface techniques. Week 2 explores vehicle exterior modeling. Week 3, vehicle interior modeling, and Week 4 expands into vehicle concept sculpting. Each week's assigned pre-recorded content serves as the foundation of the curriculum, while each live stream is 2 hours of lecture and demonstration. The live streams are also the best place to get all your vehicle modeling questions answered. Another important aspect of the class is the weekly homework, so that you're motivated by and accountable to a deadline for actually getting something done. As the instructor, I will be present in the class community forum thread to offer advice and homework grades throughout the month. CGCookie classes are designed to be the most comprehensive learning experience we offer due to direct instructor access, group learning with your peers, and graded homework. Again, all Citizen members are eligible to participate, and if you apply yourself through the month of June, you'll be prepared to model all the vehicles. Class officially starts June 4th with the first live stream on June 5th. I'll see you there.